This garden's something that we helped the couple actually get going. Yeah, we gave them plants that we'd finished with, and they've been out buying new plants. And if you just look round this garden, and this is really in 2 years, they've successfully achieved getting a garden that anybody, I mean anybody, will be absolutely proud of. You can see there's hydrangeas, hebes to the left there, there's what I call Michaelmas daisies there, across there. Round here we've got Annabelles at the back with grasses to the front coming round. Got aces in the corner. Yeah, they were dug out of somebody's garden and popped into here because they didn't want them. And then of course we've got good old Roseanne with Ceanothus next to it, Cistus coming down here, and more Michaelmas daisy. They should be very proud.